Hi, today I will share Amazon extract products in bulk, just one click. Let's see. Normally we are doing like this, place our specific keyword, and here is the result for that keyword. So the goal is to extract all of these result info and place in Excel. So let's see towards the code. Here is the code. So here will be the output file create, and here we have to put the keywords. I already opened this. You can see we can put multiple keywords. For demo I just put one ceramic planter and the file name will be demo. When I just click on this runner.cmd, the code will run. Once done, so here inside output demo.xlx will be created. Let's see. Now I am clicking. You can see code runs. It take 1 to 3 minutes to extract product info for all of these. Let's see how many. So it has total 7 pages, and I think per page 50 records. So it's up to 300. Let's wait for this. Now the code is running. You can see different products are scraping and the info is showing. At the end, you will see that how much time it take to scrape all of these 300 plus products. Now done. You can see item scrape count 283, duplicate filter 107. It's mean 300 plus products, but due to duplicate filter, only 283 uniques are remaining. And the time taken, elapsed time in second, is 141, which is approximately 2.5 minutes. Now let's see the output folder. Here you can see demo.xlx create, and here is the product info. You can see title, bullets, reviews, rating, price, MRP, sales rank, category, URL. Let's see the total number of products, 284, which means 283. The first row is for headings.